Hi and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything eBay and radio and more. We may expand and go into everything e-commerce and more. Today we're going to also talking about what's selling on eBay and what products you can sell, how to find great deals, how to find items, what you need to do, how to go about it, and even more. So pin your ears back, we've got lots of information. Don't forget to check out, even on the description, we have a eBay calculator if you want to find out product or items. If you need your eBay store related reviewed and more, we can also review your store and give you some feedback from what you want to do. If you want to ask us some questions, feel free to do so in the description and more. Tell your friends as well, like, comment and subscribe. Today we've got an interesting one when it comes down to a product to be sold on eBay or any web platform we saw. So this is this one here. I'm not to say again, as usual, to stick in these particular categories. Again, it's just understanding the strategy, what's really happening, and what you're doing, and you're taking advantage of obviously things that sell online. Mobile phones is a very big market to play around with electronics. I've had many stories about people selling electronics. It's good. It has its advantages and disadvantages when it comes down to things. But on this one, as I said, it's trying to understand why people buy these sort of things. And this is quite important. All right, when it comes to mobile phones, obviously, everybody has one and everybody needs one nowadays. When we'll be talking about usability, is that some of the mobile phones that people have, unfortunately, you have to, again, for the older generation, they may find it difficult. Here's a mobile phone, which is again what we call a pay-as-you-go, and obviously it's one of these top-up phones. So you just want it, just wanted to simple. You may want it's just an emergency, that kind of like type of things. It's not really anything special, so again, they sell it for £3. A mobile phone for £3, obviously, you can understand here how much you can sell that back for. Now, think about it. Again, a lot of people may want to buy a mobile for £3. They may want to buy lots of them per mobile, and this is what you want to take advantage of. Obviously, if you can buy a mobile phone for that particular price. Granted, you may not be able to sell lots of them because you've got to go and keep on buying these particular mobile phones, and that's a problem in itself. Will they sell you the actual mobile phones? Can you get them? And what's the situation behind it? But what we're looking at is obviously what can we sell it for. So let's have a look at this mobile phone on eBay and to see what we can do with that phone. So here is the mobile phone itself. Again, at pre-owned, it is sold for at least £7.09. Again, double the price at £14. Isn't that amazing? All right, and you came with that free. So there you go, straight off the bat. There is a deal there if you want to go out and get that particular deal. Really, but again, the strategy is you've got to go into the store and go and get this. This is at the Argos out there. You got to go into the store and get that. It may not be around for quite a while, but there is the actual challenge you want to get into. You can have a look at. But as I said before, when it comes down to items like this, and be warned, as I said, you've got to think about it very, very carefully. If you're in it to just you want to just get a quick flip, great stuff. If it's in for long term, learn about the strategy on why you're doing it, and more importantly, is that it's important that you understand what is the strategy and how you're going to go about doing these types of things on a regular basis. It's good to test as well, and to see if it's if it's something that you really want to do, and if not, just leave it alone. So there's another product. I will be doing one each in every 2 to 3 days, and you'll see the strategy as we go along of what to look for, how to look for it, what to sell on eBay, how to do it, how to go about it, what's selling on eBay, what's selling around. If you've got any comments and things like that, I will put them in the window and you'll be able to catch up on there. Happy eBaying. Hi and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything eBay and radio and more. We may expand and go into everything e-commerce and more. Today we're going to also talking about what's selling on eBay and what products you can sell, how to find great deals, how to find items, what you need to do, how to go about it, and even more. So pin your ears back. We've got lots of information. Don't forget to check out even on the description